So class, good morning. BSMT 117, SIM 2, and SIM 2, BSMT 115, and 113. So for BSMT 117, this 1 hour recording, but it can be utilized also by the SIM 2, BSMT 115 for our 3 hours discussion. Since after this, I will have again another video presentation after you have done your uh, what we call it activity since 3 hours in uni. So for 117 and 113, this is just the follow up from the quarter lesson of the previous uh, s- yesterday. But then since it is also holiday, so for BSMT 113 and 117, so this recorded, you can also play the second video presentation after you have done your activity sheet. Then submit all your output to the DINS office, to the DINS staff, collect class master, no? As a proof that we have done the class, although it is just an recorded one, but in unreal time. So you play this at your exact, isend ko nino, at your exact time. Ma-play lang yun ng video after you, uh, your at the real time. Okay, so let's start with, no. I just want to share my screen. So our lesson is all about ship stability, you know. So this is what do you how do you define ship stability? No? Sa na-define na ng lahat ng previous na to niya kung ano nga lessons about definition, no? Some terms, that's the ship stability. So meaning it is the ability of the ship to return to an upright position after being held or by and external forces. No? So be kunheld meaning by the external forces, no? So kuyop siya sa hangin or balod, no? Or any external forces. So now, so to compute the stability we will learn some different what we call this different uh, terminologies like the mom initial stability and the movement of the center of gravity. As what I have said before, that the center of gravity will move when the ship is held. So once or at least once it is stable, when the center of gravity shifted, no, lagson siya sa center of buoyancy kag ibalik. That's why nga stable siya since nga okay ang computation sa cargo sang ship. So ang center of buoyancy amo ang moment nga magbalik siya upright, no? So that is how important is the center of buoyancy too. So okay. So let's start with the definition of the stability, initial stability. Now here, no, if you can see in on the example, no, so this is the keel, the moment of the center line, no, then the metacentric height here, then the center of gravity and the center of buoyancy. First, we will put the center of buoyancy. We will just focus on the center of buoyancy, no. So this is B. So meaning, no, K from K up to here is Km. From the keel to the B to the center of buoyancy is KB. And the from the center of buoyancy to the metacentric height is the BM. So meaning KB, KM equals KB plus BM. No? That's what here in the example. Okay. Now let's again move to the center of gravity. So the center of gravity, before, no, we will define the moment of the center of the buoyancy. So center of gravity, no, K, no, here, the G, no, the center of gravity. And its vertical placement dependent on placement sa cargo. So the center of gravity nakamove siya kung sa diin ng cargo, either up or down. So that's why nga mag ano ka stow kang karga kinahanglan hindi ka mag negative GM. Kaya kung mag negative GM ka, ang center of gravity kung mag-shift, instead nga itulak ka sa center of buoyancy, which is the B, ihihut, butungon kanya lalo nga panaog. So, amo na ka-importante na. Kaya since nga, ang center of gravity, kung mag-shift siya ang G, nagasunod ang B, ang the buoyant force. So, itulod ka ka buoyant force, pabalik to make your vessel upright. That's why nga stable siya. But then, kung hindi ka insakto ang imo nga pag-compute sang GM, no, later makita. Instead nga i-upright niya ka, lalo na ikaw butungon to dalo. So, okay, so let's move, no? So, this is the B, no, the center of buoyancy, no? The center of buoyancy, by the way, is almost one half of the shift drop, no? So, B is the point which all the vertical upward forces buoyant can consider to act, no? So, it is the volume of the immersed portion of the vessel. So, as what I have said, kung diin ang center of gravity kasunod na dito si center of buoyancy para i-upright niya ang barko. So may moment ko. Okay. So let's proceed. So the K is the keel, no? The abbreviation for the keel, and uh, it is constructed ang tawag black kilya sa barko, no? Sa Simuan yun. Through the center of the ship called the center line. Amo ang key. The backbone of the ship, no? Ang keel. Okay, no. So, amo na siyang simple explanation niya ginawa. Kg, no? Halin dire oh. K plus G, no? Plus equals plus M, GM equals the uh, KM, no? So, KM meaning KM equals KG plus GM. Then KG equals KM minus KG equals GM. KG, KM minus GM. So, simple lang na oh. KB, KG, o KM. At the same time, amo man na sa KB sa buoyancy. KB, K from K to B plus B to M equals KB plus BM equals KM ng gyapon, no? So, ga-interchange lang na, no? So, baylo-baylo, KM equals pwede man niya minus BM equals KB. So, meaning, alin diri hasta diri KM minus KB equals to GM, BM, no? From here, KB equals BM. Okay. So, uh, so meaning, no? It refers to the tendency of the vessel to return to its upright position when the forces, no, outside forces, nag-affect sa barko, no? When, halimbawa, ano, mag-incline ang barko, no? Magtakilid siya, no? Halimbawa, magtakilid siya, no? Magtakilid. So, muna siya nga, ang G or the center of gravity nag-shift siya, no? Okay. So, I also advise you to copy ka notebook sang mga iba nga mga nag-agligad no basin. Okay. 115. Okay. From the notebook of SMT 110 kay now namin ko tanakit may blackboard kita no dire pwede ko magkukay mo sang whiteboard galing daw hindi gid kuha ko ka control ng sulat kakiwi unlike ko nito sa whiteboard ani. So anyway, ari man yapon niyang iya nga mga formula. Kuan lang ni siya plus minus mo lang no. Kg plus Gm equals Km. So simple Kg. Alin siya K pag center of gravity plus metacentric height equals Km. At the same time, K plus B plus KB plus PM equals Km. The same, no? So, study nyo ng formula, no? Kaya mapadarama ko sang given nga mga example, then tunan nyo na, then later I will give you the activity, no? For you to solve, no? Para ma-practice nyo ang solving. Then the output will, you pass it to the instant, okay? So, kg is the center of gravity, no? It's the height of the center of gravity from the keel. Cause, so G will be in the center line. So meaning KG amo nang ginayos sa moment niya gap na, no? Okay. Okay, no? So amo na siya ang explanation niya, no? Kung mag-incline ang shift, no? The length, no? Okay. Let me explain, no? K, no? Ang tawag nyo K, then the metacentric height, there is siya, there, no? So meaning K to the metacentric height. Just look up, no? From K to G, G to M, then K to B, B to M, no? M ang dire. Now, when the vessel shift inclined, so the center of gravity also inclined. So amo na siyang Z. In some books, kinahimo nila nga G1 eh. So we use also C. So meaning from the center of gravity to the shifted center of gravity is the GC. No? Lantawa, no? Ginasundan siya sa buoyant force, no? Parallel siya yan, no? From the dalom sang Z or sang center of gravity nga ng ship is the center of buoyancy nga naglagas man siya para ibalik niya barko upright. So amo na nga stable barko because of that center of the buoyant force. Sundon sa sang buoyant force kag itulod pabalik. Now, look at this other simple triangle mo lang ni siya, no? So the solution, okay. Kung sa aton sa GC, no? Tapos GM, okay? Okay, so halimbawa, ano? G, ano na siya kung sa trigo, sa dimension function? If this is the theta, meaning opposite, tapos ang GM, o M ni dire, is the adjacent. So meaning tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. No, simto na siya. Kung ginagalin Japon sa mathematics ang iya basic nga formula, no, sa trigonometric function. So meaning nag-level up na kita imbis nga opposite side nang himo kita nga GZ ang opposite side naton. Ang aton nga adjacent side is GM. So meaning tangent theta equals GC over GM. So simple lang, no? So hindi mo lipati ang inyong MST, no? Dira magamit yun na paskin sa navigation ba. So the length of the GC will different at different angles abil. Kung ano kapadako man iyang pag hill, so amo na iyang ang angle. Okay, so amo na siya, no? So meaning the righting moment or the buoyant force is the by B amo na siya, no? So meaning amo na siya, no? Okay na. GCGM. So the righting moment equals to the weight, no, over the GC. So righting moment na siya or the weight over the GC, no? Okay. So amo na siya ang gatulak pabalik sa iya, the moment, no? The righting moment. Okay? So let's proceed. So meaning ang distance is the GC, the weight or the weight is the force of the gravity, no? So the righting moment equals force times distance. Hindi pala ang force work equals force times distance. So meaning righting moment of the work sa physics nyo bala is force which is the weight times the distance nga GC. Okay? So that is the exterior force, meaning again kuyop siya sa hangin or gin tulak kabalot. Okay. So the moment of the statical stability or the writing moment, the same man na sila gyapon, no? So meaning nag-ilis lang kata sang imbis nga writing moment or the what equals amo na siya ang iyang moment of statical stability. So amo na siya. So amo nang writing moment, no? The moment of statical stability. Walang daw GC, no? Ang biggest sunod. So amo na ang moment na ang GC. Okay. Ang distance niya na. So meaning, the moment of statistical stability, tandaan nyo, weight times GC or the weight or the gravity or the loaded kung ano, load cargo mo ni eh. So, W times GC. Okay? So the weight of the ship is represented by W. the vertical force or the downward force through the center of the gravity. So the perpendicular distance, line section of the of GC is called the writing moment. So the distance from the center of gravity and the shifted center of gravity nga nag-shift, ang distance na mo na ang writing level, no? Or so the force, buoyant force amo ng writing moment niya. Okay, so let's proceed, no? So initial stability, then the wider the, okay, the greater stability. So amo na siya. So let's proceed. The same ang gyapon no? When we call it for the buoyancy, no? The initial stability amo ni ang iya gyapon nga representation, no? Sa kill, tapos metacentric height, the center of buoyancy, which is one half of the shift drop, then the center of the gravity. Ini siya. Lahat anawa, naghalin man nagyapon sa figure sang trigo. So, ari siya, og kuha nato ni ang amoni nga senaryo nga angle, inbutang nato niyo. M is the, then, angle theta equals opposite over adjacent. No, sin theta. Therefore, sin theta equals opposite, which is GC, over adjacent, meaning, or GM. So, meaning, sin theta equals, kung solve mong sin theta equals GC, opposite over adjacent, GM. No? But then, kung GC ang imo pangitaon, all the, is GM times sin theta. Oh, okay. So, mag-amo siya stable ang equilibrium, no? Stable ang weight. So, stable equilibrium tawag nila. So, okay. So, tandaan niyo ang formula, no? Opposite over adjacent is the GM, no? Okay. Okay, so, this will be the, okay. So this is the problem for the angle to 10 to 15 degrees. Amo na ang initial stability from 10 to 15 degrees lang ang angle of list or the angle of hill. M is the metacentric height. So ang triangle is the, okay na, amo na siya, no? So ang triangle is the, amo na GM, no? Amo na siyang inatibla, no? Diretibla, oh. Okay. Wala ma-represent ang sakto. Okay. So meaning ang G nag-shift, no? So amo na siyang GM. Pareho na blade, oh. Okay. So sin theta equals GC over G adjacent GM. Okay. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over hypotenuse, I mean. Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay. So, tandaan, no? Ay mahatag lang ko mga problem solving. Okay. So, just familiarize with the formula. GC equals GM times sin theta. Anyway, recap ko na siya kung mag-face-to-face ta. So, as general rule, stability of the ship improved, then the stability of all angles of inclination will also improve. So that's why nga upright siya, stable siya because of that buoyant force or the writing lever nga itulak niya pabalik, no? Or because of the buoyant force nga itulak niya kung ano kalayo ang center of gravity nga ng ship, sundon na siya sa center of buoyancy kag itulak tungod sa iya nga writing moment. So the writing lever is the GC. Okay. So okay, the same mo na gyapon, no? Okay. Stiff ship, large GM when the sea hills, GC is large. So kung mag-stiff ship, amo na siya mga barko, mga cargo vessel. Ang kwanta na tender ta na mga passenger, mga container, no? Kaya ang rulang period niya is short, no? Kung stiff, ano ni, di short ang iyang rolling period pero kasi lain tanas ang mga passenger kagano nga buhay ang iya rolling period. So tender vessel amo na siya small ang ana GM. So nga ang rolling period niya long buhay no. But then swabe na pag listing. Okay. So let's proceed no kung anyway no. So mahatog mo lang kung may activity stop ko lang anay then I will give you the activity the problem solving. Sampulan ko anay lang tikis ra ma-send lang ko no through the sa aton GC. Then this will be sent also to your GC then view. After this for SMT okay ma-view ba ng 13 kagang 17 kasi since ka wala klase ka po kahapon para mabawi. Now the for the SMT 115 after this activity nga ipadala ko sa kwan sa group chat you solve matatag na ko example then makatag naman ako another nga ano diya nga set problem solving then submit it to the ship's office. Now, yan ko lang ni Anay. Then, uh, then after, no, ma-solve ka mo, especially sa kwan, sa SMT 115, ka 3 hours aton. So after solving, sa class master collect, then view again for another uh, video clips for another topic. Then for the SMT SIM 117 and 113, instead ninyo nga mga ano pwede ninyo nakapuli no they ano but then assignment na lang ninyo ang na next nga kwan the next nga activity but then you can view it at your home kaya one day mo lang 1 hour mo lang talaga ang inyong klase no for BSMT 113 1.5 hour for BSMT 117 1 hour. So just view. Then for the sake nga para ano, I want to have your attendance later at all of you, tatlo ka section at until ano, kung may time ka mo, 5:30. But then kung wala, okay lang. So anyway, your activity or your to be submitted in the dean's office is your ano is your evidence. Then the number of views dito mabalaan kung naka-view ka mo sa aton nga ano ni nga video clips lesson naton kung mabalaan dito kung pila ka number of views sa lesson. So dito ko na mabalaan ako nakapaano ka mo no kung actual ka mo nga view kag nakasabat ka mo kung lesson kay timbalaan mo kung wala ka sabat no. Anyway, this is just the asynchronous methods of teaching. Kaysa magkuhan kita uh, make up class after may sugot mo make up class na gabi eh. Wala naman the time nga make up class ako sa ibang adlaw, Friday lang. Di may mga klase mo na kamo. So better mo na siya. Just view again for this MT 115. View again after you have submitted your activity 1. Duha na activity for today. Duha ka activity at ako ha. So thank you very much class. Uh, please just stand by no kay for your activity. Then for view again the next lesson for the next activity. Okay, thank you very much class. Goodbye, no? God bless.